Hello Zimbabwe, how are you doing? My name is Lawrence Monomambo, the usual guy from Music Corner. Today I am going to be teaching you how to play a song called Ndinobva Kwamuri. It's a hymn song. Most probably people from AFM know this song. Most probably people from the Reformed Church, they know this song. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to sing that song, how to play that song on the keyboard. So let's get right into it. So Zimbabwe, this is how you play Ndinobva Kwamuri by this is a hymn. I'm not really sure who wrote the song. So this is how I go. Oh yeah. Ndinobva Kwamuri. Okay, so Zimbabwe, this is how you play Ndinobva Kwamuri. Now I'm going to break it down into two sections so that it becomes easy for you guys to grasp the concept. So the first part of the song, we start from a D sharp minor, we go to an F on the left side, and we have a C sharp on our right, and then we go to an F sharp. So it's then we go to a B, back to an F sharp, C sharp, and back to a D sharp minor, again, Then for the second part of the song, this is what you do. You start from a D sharp minor, then a C sharp, E, then B, then an A sharp, under an F sharp, then back to an F sharp, again. Then B, then back to A sharp, then C sharp, then D sharp. That's how you play the song. So Zimbabwe, that is how you play Ndinobva Kwamuri, the very famous hymn. Thank you. So Zimbabwe, I hope you enjoyed that lesson. That was a very beautiful lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned how to play those chords properly. Stay with us. Subscribe and like our videos.